This man is diving into a sewer filled with toxic waste to unclog pipes. It's one of the deadliest jobs in all of South Asia.
सर अंदर उतरते हैं तो बुरा सा तो लगता ही है कि यार क्या जिंदगी हो गई नरक में उतर के।
अब देखा तो वहाँ कहने लगे आदमी गटर में गिर गया। मैंने गटर देखा तो झाग मालूम पड़ रहे थे उसमें।
Are you aware of the fact? Who is responsible for cleaning the sewares and the septic tanks in our cities? Yes, of course, the sanitation workers, right? But do you guys know the risk and danger that the sanitation workers face while performing their duties? And also, did you know that these workers still practice manual scavenging, which is not only inhuman but is also illegal in India. In fact, manual scavenging has been banned in India since 2013 under the Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavengers and the Rehabilitation Act.
Unreported cases are there that we are not taking into the consideration. Reported cases also every year it is increasing. They are the citizens of the country. And even the country or the world, everybody must take that. Why they should die like this?
Why does this practice still persist in many parts of our country? Have you ever wondered? Let's figure out. Hey there, I am Rajat. Let's open up. The main issue is that many of the sanitation workers are unaware about their rights and continue to operate in dangerous situations without any safety equipments or the technology. They actually lack access to the social and financial advantages, making it harder for them to quit this industry and pursue other different opportunities, which ultimately creates a vicious circle of poverty and exploitation. To address this issue, our Indian government has played a master stroke this time and has introduced the Namaste scheme in this year's budget. Namaste, which actually stands for National Action for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem, aims to create a safe and dignified environment for sanitation workers in the urban India. The scheme seeks to recognize the sanitation workers as one of the key contributors to the operation and maintenance of the sanitation infrastructure. As part of this scheme, the government is identifying these workers and extending insurance scheme benefits to cover them and their families. Additionally, the scheme aims to promote mechanization and enterprise development to reduce the need for manual scavenging. Don't you think it's a great initiative to improve the lives of the sanitation workers in our country? The government expects this Namaste scheme will eliminate or eradicate the manual scavenging and give sanitation employees with sustainable livelihoods. This will not only improve their occupational safety, but it will also provide them access to social and the financial benefits. This initiative would also encourage mechanization and business growth, allowing sanitation workers to purchase sanitation related equipments and vehicles under the Swachhata Udyami Yojana. Look, the Namaste scheme is not just a government initiative, but it's a collective effort towards creating a safe and dignified working environment for the sanitation workers in the urban India. It is our responsibility as a responsible citizen to support and magnify such initiative for the welfare of the society. Let us spread some awareness about this Namaste initiative by sharing this story in your feed. Together, we can create a cleaner, safer and more equitable society for everyone. Till then, it's a wrap, and if you guys are really interested in surfing such infographic content in just a few minutes, you can always subscribe to our channel and share our feed with your people. And we will catch you in the next one.